how to clear chat on kick.com. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will be discussing on how you will be able to clear your chat when streaming on kick.com. So let's go check out our creator dashboard by clicking on our profile. Then click on creator dashboard. As you can see, this is our streaming dashboard. Now, for example, someone types in or someone sends you a message that you don't want. Now, there is a method to remove a specific message, which is this, by simply clicking on delete on a specific message. But once you delete this, you can see, when you refresh your dashboard, let's wait for it to load, it's still going to be there. It's not going to be gone forever. So to be able to remove or clear your chat, you're simply going to click on slash, then type in clear, as you can see, which would allow you to clear the entire chat. And when you click on enter, it will remove all the chat messages over here. And that's how you will be able to remove or clear your chat boxes in kick.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe.